Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Today we'll be talking about modifying collections in loops, and in particular about modifying the collection we're looping through. You can also read the written version of this video on my Python programming blog at prosperocoder.com. If you want to modify the collection you're working on in the loop, it's advisable to first make a copy, which can be done with the slice operator. Otherwise, some unintended things may happen. So first, let's have a look how working on the original list looks. Here's an example where we don't make a copy. Instead, we're working on the original list. Here's the list numbers, and here is the original list. The code checks each number in the original list, and if it's divisible by 10, its triple is appended to the list. So, in the first iteration, nothing happens because the first element, 5, is not divisible by 10. In the next iteration, 10 is assigned to the loop variable, which is divisible by 10, and its triple, which is 30, is appended to the list. The problem with this approach is that now the list has one more element. This new element, 30, is also divisible by 10. So its triple, 90, is appended. Each new element will now be divisible by 10 and will cause a new element to be appended. And this will make the list grow endlessly. In order not to fall into an infinite loop, we made one more condition in the if statement. We limited the length of the list to 10 elements, so that it stops when this length is achieved. So let's run it and see what the output is. As you can see, we have 30, 60, so the two numbers we expected. These are the triples of 10 and 20 respectively. But then we have 90, which is the triple of 30. 180, which is the triple of 60. 270, which is the triple of 90, and so on. This would go on and on like that if we hadn't put the condition there. And now let's see how working on a copy of the list works. Well, the output we just saw is not the output we're going to achieve. Now let's try the other approach. Let's work with a copy of the list. So let's iterate over a copy and append the elements to the original. Now the new element will be added to a different list, not the one we're iterating over. So here's our original list, and now we're going to iterate over the copy of this list, which we can make using the slice operator. So this makes a copy of this original list. And here, we'll be appending the numbers still to the original list. Now, let's run this again here. And now we get this. That's what we wanted. We can even get rid of the length limitation. Run, and we still get this. So here it works because the loop iterates over the elements of the copy, but inside the loop the original list is modified. So if we modify the original collection, there's always risk that the output will be different than expected. That's why we really should work on a copy unless we are absolutely sure that nothing wrong will happen. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.